up everyone? My name is Dora. Welcome to my channel. Hello. Today I'm showing you how to make a super easy bubble bath powder. I've made this before, but this is a very easy and quick recipe, and you already know it makes tons of bubbles. I tried many recipes, and this time I finally figured out the key to making bubble bath powder. It shouldn't be soft and clumped together. You want it to be extra dry and coarse so it pours easily and evenly. And I'm going to explain exactly how to achieve this. Please read the description for lots of helpful information, the recipe, substitutions, and the supply list. This citric acid is very important. It adds a grainy, coarse texture, and when you wet it, it reacts with the baking soda and it allows the mix to dry hard and coarse. The wet ingredients can be substituted. You just need enough to activate the baking soda and citric acid. You could add all water if you wanted to. More on this in the description. Add wet to dry and mix. The more puffy, the better. Spread it out to quicken drying time. Break up any big clumps and basically just get it as spread out as possible. Dry 24 hours, then break up the clumps to speed up drying time again. Now allow it to dry completely. It could take a couple days to fully dry. Once dry, sieve the mixture to get clumps out. Now customize the powder. I'm adding color powder. For that tutorial, click the icon. Choose colors that create appealing colors when mixed together. For instance, I made pink and blue, which creates a purple colored water. For diagonal layers, pack the mix at an angle. I used this type of container and packaged it this way for bubble bath frosting. But if you're not packaging it with frosting, a jar with a shaker lid would be the best option. Be sure to pack layers and fill the container all the way so that the layers aren't disturbed during travel. Place a shrink wrap bag over the top, hold it in place, and heat it. Cut off extra material. Get as close to the lip as possible. I'm in the middle of formulating a great bubble bath frosting that is sugar-free and requires only a few ingredients, but that's an entirely different tutorial. It will be posted soon though. This frosting has been occupying all of my time. It's the reason this tutorial is so late. Turn your water on full blast, then pour, sprinkle, or scoop the powder in. It does not require a lot at all. I barely used 1/4 of the container to make all these bubbles. It makes high quality, long lasting, buildable bubbles, the kind that kids, or me, cannot resist. I like to see how high I can pile the bubbles before the entire thing falls over. Excuse my ratty clothes, I didn't know that I'd be making a camera appearance. And check out the beautiful water.